Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. On this video I'm going to explain what's happening right now with the Bitcoin price. And guys, it happened exactly what I told you yesterday. We saw actually the breakout of this massive rise wedge pattern of support at around $70,338, and we didn't only break this support area, guys, we also broke this massive orange line, which is the $70,400. And the time that I uploaded the video, guys, it was actually a retest on this massive support area, which is this orange line. And I told you that we're gonna break this, guys, anytime soon, and it happened. So afterwards, if you remember, I told you that we're gonna get to this $70,254, and I told you that if we're gonna break this one, we're gonna get straight under $70,000, which actually happened instantly. You can see this massive rejection was with a breakout. We get to the lowest point, which was $60,700, which was actually very quickly. So guys, on this video we're gonna see all these scenarios where we're gonna get on this rise wedge pattern from technical price target, and of course I'm gonna tell you my approach where I see BTC going, not only of course on this technical price target, because I believe that we're gonna reach this technical price target 100%, and I'm gonna tell you what's my worst case scenario, because guys, unfortunately my prediction of the worst case scenario actually confirmed with the Jeremy Powell speech which happened before today's. So I'm gonna analyze you deeply why we're gonna get to the maximum pain in 2023. So if you would like to know all these things, where we're gonna get on this rise wedge pattern, what happened on this kind of FOMC meeting speech, you have to stay tuned until the end of the video, guys. And before we jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you're supporting me so much to continue this journey with a very simple process of daily like, daily comment, and share your friends. You actually help me so much to push this video to more people via YouTube algorithm, which helped me a lot, and I appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to all of you guys. I'm Chris, uploading every day crypto videos teaching you how to make smart trades in the crypto market and stack that money. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to do not miss any of my future trades. And let's jump straight to the daily time frame to start with some technical analysis, and then we're gonna move to the fundamentals. So if you would like to know the fundamental analysis and why this pump and dump actually happened because of fundamental, stay tuned until the end of the video. So right now, let's start. You can clearly see rise wedge pattern, beautiful formation, A move, B move, and with a C move we broke out this massive support of $17,338 around here, and I was expecting to happen that, and I told you this yesterday that we're gonna break this 100%. I was pretty sure that we're gonna break this massive support, and after the breakout that happened here, we moved to the downside as we're supposed to move. So guys, here I'm gonna give you the technical price target after the breakout, because you're gonna see a technical price target which I believe let me imply perfectly, okay, which I believe, guys, we're gonna get there 100%. You can clearly see that we're talking for a technical price target, let me put the box at $50,850, guys. I believe 99% that we're gonna get to this technical price target anytime soon. And guys, right now, if we test this technical price target number after the breakout, you're gonna see we're talking for around 9% of rejection is going to happen totally to get there on this technical price target at $50,850. Guys, as I told you, I believe that we're gonna get there 100%, because I had told you that we also have this guy's MACD indicator, which right now is getting closer and closer to see this kind of massive flip. And I had prepared you guys for that flip. I was telling you that the last couple of days on my channel, that beware for this kind of flip. It's coming the next coming days. It's coming this kind of flip, which the orange line is gonna get over of the blue line. And when this is going to happen, guys, I told you we're gonna have here, of course, a bearish territory building on this indicator, and with that bearish territory that which is gonna build here, we're gonna have massive rejection of the chart of the Bitcoin price. So we're talking, for me, I believe, guys, we're gonna get there 100%, 99% we're gonna get there. Of course, because I'm telling you that, do not open short trade positions, because if you are inexperienced or even a beginner trader, because guys, you're gonna wreck out 100% because the volatility on these areas are crazy. Okay, this is only for very experienced traders and not for no one else. And something else, of course, that I'm suggesting you, of course, I'm not financial advisor. This is just from my own experience. I'm just doing that for entertainment purposes. I'm just suggesting you this, and of course, do lots of research before you do any kind of move to this kind of thing. Is the DCA, guys. DCA on those prices, and never sell. Buy and never sell, and you're gonna make crazy return when the bull run is gonna come. Don't have to stress about when it's gonna come or whatsoever or how low we're gonna get. You just buy every day, buy every week. Choose a good daily or weekly ratio and buy without see what's happening here on the chart. And guys, it's gonna be so much stress free, and because you will know that when the bull run is gonna come, you're gonna have massive return. So that's why I'm suggesting you guys that DCA is the best method and the safest method, especially when you are in the bear market, which we are doing right now. And guys, you can clearly see that from the indicator and technical price target that I'm expecting to get under $60,000, and especially in the area of $50,000 to see the Bitcoin actually consolidating on this area of $50,000 with ups and downs in the next coming weeks. So you can clearly see here, we also, before I move to fundamentals, we guys also have here massive support areas, and the most strongest support area is this $60,566. If we're gonna break this one, guys, it's over. We're gonna get straight under $60,000. But there is one scenario to come to this area, small scenario, but it's still possible, and find strength here. Okay, and actually move sideways and probably either rebounds again to $60,800. There is a scenario to happen with or without this kind of pump, but, and I mean only the consolidation to happen without the pump. But guys, there is the scenario to actually find strength here. But the other scenario is, of course, to do not have strength, to find weakness and surpass this one. And guys, we're gonna get to this $60,277. Most of the times we're always breaking out this support. It's very weak support line, but every time we're breaking this support, we're getting under to $60,000 almost instantly. So beware of those two scenarios that I told you. For me, we're gonna get there no matter what. It's gonna happen in the short term. We're gonna get to this technical price target 99%, especially when we're gonna see this kind of flip on this MACD indicator. So guys, before I close the video, I would like you to discuss a little bit what happened the last couple of days, and especially the last 2-3 days on the market, because lots of guys was very hurried to judge me. It was wrong on my prediction, because I was telling you in the mid to long term I'm staying and remain bearish. Guys, we saw just a pump because the 7.1% of inflation rate, because it was far below the forecast prediction, and you were make a decision that this is the end of the bear market, which is crazy. It's funny, guys. We saw just 5%. We saw just 5% of growth on this area of $70,000. We saw just, guys, 5% of growth, and you were talking about the end of the bear market. It's ridiculous funny, and you were calling me that I'm wrong, because I was telling you, and you don't understand that I was telling you in the short term it can happen absolutely everything. Nobody can predict the short term. Nobody. Not if you are the most experienced trader in the world. Nobody can predict the short term, because it can happen something from nowhere, from fundamental side. Okay, it can happen like the FTX collapse. It can happen something like that. But from fundamental analysis, guys, I'm predicting the mid long term is we're gonna get to a lower price. I'm doing that, guys, when we jump to this bear market, and the price actually was reaching the $25,000. Everyone was super bullish, because they were had many charts and were telling you that this is the end of the bear market, the bottom is in, and I'm gonna get only up from that side. And I was telling you that from fundamental analysis, it's wrong. because the inflation was super high. We can go to the moon with high inflation. We can. We need to see inflation under 5% to start building slowly the bullish territory. Okay, this is the big difference here. So also here, if you notice, I was one of the biggest believers that we're gonna see lower low on this actually on this area. I was telling you that we're gonna get to a new bottom because I was telling you that we need lower low first to achieve, and actually it happened. When it happened, lots of guys which were calling me crazy came back and told me, Chris, you were right. So I'm telling you these things because do not hurry. We saw the 7.1% here and you were hurry, and 90% of YouTubers get wrecked out because everyone was expecting the expected the 0.5 basis point, which was very bullish, and it happened. But if you remember, after the Jeremy Powell speech, which actually prepared us for the worst case scenario, the maximum pain of that is coming in the next coming months into 2023, the price crashed. Okay, everyone understood that we're gonna get to maximum pain and the inflation rate's probably not gonna drop. Okay, so this is what I would like to tell you here, guys. Don't hurry. That's why I'm telling you we can actually, from just indicator or technical analysis, to predict what's the next move for the Bitcoin, and I'm talking specifically for the bull run. Okay, not for the next move. I'm talking basically for the bull run. This is what I would like to tell you. You can predict that this is because we're forming here a fall wedge pattern. This is the end of the bear market. I'm gonna get to the moon. Okay, this is false. You need to learn fundamental analysis, and with fundamental analysis maybe you can predict where we're gonna get in the right direction. Okay, and for that reason currently we are in a bearish direction, and unfortunately when I see a maximum pain. And if you ask me before I close the video, I'm gonna tell you my worst case scenario. If you remember, I was telling you that is 12 between $14,000 my worst case scenario. Right now I can confirm you that probably when I get there 90%. So my worst case scenario, if you remember, I was telling you if I can give you one number, I was telling you the $14,000. Right now, guys, I can give you with more certainty that is the $12,000, the new bottom for me, if I can pick one number. So this is what I would like to tell you guys. Thank you so much for the watching, and see you tomorrow with my fresh updates of course altcoins, and the end of the day the BTC. Do not miss any kind of video of my BTC video, is most important, and see you guys there. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.